even aside from these macro sort of outlooks, how about the AI trade? I mean, we've certainly seen signs of weakening, some skepticism there, especially surrounding NVIDIA, which hasn't filled in that pre-DeepSeek gap that it created. Where does that stand? How important is that for this next move forward for the bottoming process?
I mean, I think technology is still important for the next few years. You know, in our sector weightings this year, it's number 3. So financials, industrials, first and second. But I think it's just digesting a lot of the prodigious gains the last 2 years. But I don't think AI spending is really going to weaken. I know investors have a lot of good news baked in.
So I think the market, if it does resume a move higher, you think it's the same leadership, or there has been some rotation away from some of the Mag 7 and financials have looked strong. I mean, will it look different, or will the winners come back with a vengeance?
Yeah, I mean, in January, the first, let's say, five weeks or so, that leadership was different because it was a lot more tech outside of the Mag 7, and it was financials, and it was some mid and small caps. I think once we're through this rough patch, that's the kind of leadership we think will.
All right, you want to make some. I don't know why we told you people you were going to talk about Bitcoin, but now that we did, you do need to talk about it. I mean, it's come back a little bit. What did you attribute the move down below 80 to? Just that it's Bitcoin? What do you want?
Yes. I would say what's interesting is Bitcoin's not had negative headlines in February, but it was down. But I know our technician, Mark Newton, had talked about this being a cyclical downturn in Bitcoin through the end of March. So he was talking mid-January, getting down to 62. The weekend...
105 to 62. That's just Bitcoin.
Yeah, it's a typical...
Do the math, though. It's like, yeah, in a month, 105 to 62.
Yeah, that's a test of the resolve
that
of
hurts
bulls, right?
people that buy at 105.
Yeah, but as you know, Bitcoin makes all of its gains in 10 days. So if people sort of try to time this, they're going to miss out on a chance for Bitcoin to go back to its highs.
And by the end, at some point in this year, you think it gets, because last year you thought it might get to 150 or even higher, right?
Yeah. I think it's going to do better than 150 this year.
You do?
Yeah.
U.S. dollar?
Yes.
What? 150?
Hungarian forint?
Yeah,
I mean, like,
I don't know. Something that's a lot less than $150,000. It's a lot better than higher than 150.
That's right, because it's becoming more widely held.
Yeah.
You know, if Citadel starts trading it, it starts to have more broad acceptance.
Okay. Tom Lee, thanks.
Thank you.
Don't be a stranger. You're not, but come back again. Thank you.